Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atom. Carbohydrates are also known as saccharides. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Target GPED. My name is Rahul, and in this part we are going to discuss carbohydrates and carbohydrates metabolism MCQs. In previous video, we have discussed about this chapter 1, which is introduction to biochemistry. So today we will see 30 questions of this topic. So let's start the video without wasting time. So here is the first question of carbohydrates and its metabolism. So the first question is here. The general formula of monosaccharides is CnH2n ON, C2NH2ON, CnH2O2n, and CnH2n and O2n. Here n is the number of molecules. So the general formula for monosaccharides is CnH2n-ON. Okay, let's talk about question number 2. The general formula of polysaccharides is, options here, C6H10O5, C6H12O5n, C6H10O6n, and C6H10O6. So for the polysaccharides, the general formula is C6H12O5n. Okay. Question number 3. The aldose sugar is glycerose, ribulose, erythrulose, and dihydroacetone. So here the correct answer for aldose sugar is glycerose. So glycerose is the aldose sugar. A triose sugar is, options here, glycerose, ribose, erythrose, and fructose. Glycerose is also triose sugar and aldose sugar. A pentose sugar is, options here, dihydroxyacetone, ribulose, erythrose, and glucose. So the example of pentose sugar is ribulose. Ribulose is a pentose sugar. Question number 6. The pentose sugar present mainly in the heart muscle is, options are lysose, ribose, arabinose, xylose. So the pentose sugar which is present mainly in the heart muscle is lysox. Question number 7. Polysaccharides are, options are polymer, acids, protein, and oils. So here the correct answer is polysaccharides are polymers. The number of isomers of glucose is, options here, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the correct answer is there are 16 isomers of glucose. Okay, let's talk about question number 9. Which sugar, the two sugars which differ from each other only in configuration around a single carbon atom, are termed epimers, anomers, optical isomer, and stereoisomers. So here the correct answer for this question is two sugars which differ from one another only in configuration around a single carbon atom are termed as epimers. Isomers differing as a result of variation in configuration of the OH and H on the carbon atom of 2, 3, and 4 of glucose are known as, options, epimers, anomers, optical isomers, stereoisomer. So these type of isomer are known as epimers. Okay, let's talk about question number 11. The most important epimer of glucose is, option, galactose, fructose, arabinose, and xylose. So the most important epimer for glucose, which is galactose. Okay. 12. Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are stereoisomers, epimers, anomers, and keto-aldo pairs. So the correct answer is these are anomers of each other. So alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are anomers. Question number 13. alpha D glucose plus 112 degree plus 52.5 degree plus 90 degree beta D glucose for glucose above represents optical isomer, mutarotation, epimerization and D and L isomerism. So here the correct answer for question number 13 is mutarotation. Question number 14. Compound having the same structural formula but differing in spatial configuration are known as, options are stereoisomers, anomers, optical isomers and epimers. So here the correct answer, the compound having the same structural formula but differing in spatial configuration are known as stereoisomer. Question number 15. In glucose, the orientation of the H and OH groups are around the carbon atom 5 adjacent to the terminal primary alcohol carbon determines D or L series dextro and laboratory alpha and beta anomers and epimers. So here the correct answer is, in glucose, the orientation of the H and OH groups around the carbon atom 5 adjacent to the terminal primary alkyl carbon determines D or L series. Question number 16. The carbohydrate of the blood group substance is, options here sucrose, fructose, arabinose and maltose. So here the correct answer for this, the carbohydrate of the blood group substance is fructose. Erythromycin contains dimethylamino sugars, trimethylamino sugars, sterol and sugars and glycerol and sugar. So the erythromycin contains dimethylamino sugars. A sugar alcohol is mannitol, trehalose, xylulose and arabinose. So the correct answer is, a sugar alcohol is mannitol. Question number 19. The major sugar of insect hemolymph is, options here glycogen, pectin, trehalose and sucrose. So the correct answer is, the major sugar of insect hemolysis is trehalose. Okay. The sugar found in DNA is, options here xylose, ribose, deoxyribose and ribulose. So here the correct answer is, for question number 20, deoxyribose sugar is found in DNA. The sugar found in RNA is, options are ribose, deoxyribose, ribulose and erythrose. So here the correct answer for this question, in RNA ribose sugars are present. The sugar found in milk is, options here galactose, glucose, fructose and lactose. So in the milk here is lactose sugar is found. Invert sugar is, options here lactose, sucrose, hydrolytic product of sucrose and fructose. So the correct answer for this question is, hydrolytic product of sucrose is known as invert sugar. Sucrose consists of glucose plus glucose, glucose plus fructose, glucose plus galactose and glucose plus mannose. So here the correct answer for this question is, sucrose consists of glucose plus fructose. The monosaccharides units are linked by 1,4-glycosidic linkage in maltose, sucrose, cellulose and cellulose. So here the correct answer for question number 25, in maltose the monosaccharides units are linked by 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Question number 16. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Options are isomaltose, maltose, lactose, trehalose. So the correct answer is, for question number 26, trehalose is a non-reducing sugar. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? Options are sucrose, trehalose, isomaltose and agar. So here the correct answer for question number 27 is, isomaltose is a reducing sugar. Okay, question number 28. A disaccharide formed by 1,1-glycosidic linkage between their monosaccharide units is lactose, maltose, trehalose and sucrose. So the correct answer is trehalose. A disaccharide formed by 1,1-glycosidic linkage between their monosaccharide unit is Trehalose. Okay, now question number 30. Mutarotation referred to change in option pH, optical rotation, conductance and chemical property. So the correct answer is mutarotation referred to change in optical rotation. Okay, so today we have seen 30 question of biochemistry from the topic carbohydrate. In upcoming video we will see next 30 question of carbohydrates. So that's all for today. And if you are preparing for GPAT and want to any type of help regarding preparation, we have created a Telegram group for GPAT aspirants for their better GPAT preparation. So if you want to join this group, links are in the description box, and don't forget to connect with us on our Instagram account. There also we help students in their GPAT preparation. Thank you, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.